Hi, I'm Anissa Nurul Habibah, and this time I'll review one of traditional medicines. It is warm red ginger drink. The warmth of red ginger can relieve sore throat, dry cough, and also cough with phlegm. But before I review, I will explain a little bit about the content of red ginger. The first one is gingerol. The spicy taste comes from gingerol. It can warm our body. And then the second one is essential oil. This content is very good for relieving cough. And then the third one is flavonoids. The flavonoids in the red ginger have anti-inflammatory properties, so it functions as an antidote for cough and also inflammation in the throat. The red ginger can soothe the throat by breaking down the mucus in the throat so that it's easily to remove from respiratory system. Okay, next I will show you guys how to make warm red ginger drink according to my style. So let's watch the video first. What do you think, guys? It's so easy to make, isn't it? Yeah, I think so. Alright, I'll drink it right now. Wow, this is so warm. And also adding honey and lime in the last step is a good choice because it can tone down the spicy taste from the ginger. So the taste is not as strong as you can stand the spicy taste from the red ginger. These traditional medicines still can be enjoyed, guys. That's so great, and this is so suitable and good for us to drink this one when the weather is cold to warm our body, besides to cure cough. But basically, guys, the red ginger can soothe breathing and then also break down the mucus in the respiratory system and also cure cough quickly, because within only twice or 3 times consumption the cough can be cured by consuming these traditional medicines. So I really recommend you guys, if you get cough, just take these traditional medicines because the easy way to make, the easy ingredients to get, and then also its benefit have been proven because there are some research that prove the benefit of red ginger to our health, especially for cough. And then absolutely these traditional medicines much healthier than the chemical ones, but the excessive use certainly not good. So just consume and drink these traditional medicines as needed. So I guess that's all from me, guys. Hopefully my explanation and my review can be helpful and useful for you guys. Thanks for listening me. Bye.
Hello guys, I'm Fazrul Khairi. This time I will explain about turmeric and lime as a traditional medic for a cough. Turmeric and lime not contain vitamin and mineral, but also contain substance so that they can be natural antiseptic or antibiotic and are for the body. So that turmeric and lime can be a traditional medicine for cough. For that, I will turmeric it.
Boil enough turmeric, then wait for it to boil and the water turns yellow. Then cut the lime that we have provided earlier into 2 parts. After cut, squeeze it into the turmeric water. Then pour into a glass. Okay, finish. The traditional meat is ready for consumption.
Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. Bye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Fakhrai Hansyah. In this video, I will explain to you about traditional medicine, which I will explain here is curcuma. Curcuma.
I think we could do it if we tried. If only to say you're mine. Sophia, know that you and I shouldn't feel like a crime.
So this is the form of curcuma. I bought it at the supermarket. The curcuma is usually used as a herbal medicine because it can be useful as an antibacterial and contains centrohirosol, which can inhibit the growth and development of cancer cells. Maybe this is all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Noviana Sinta WS. Here I want to review one of the traditional medicine used to relieve cough symptoms. Previously, coughing was the body's natural mechanism for clearing the airways of mucus or foreign matter. However, if the cough occurs continuously and interferes with daily activities, it is necessary to further investigate the underlying disease of the cough. Apart from overcoming the cause of the cough, several medications are given to suppress the cough reflex. Okay, next. One of the natural substances used in the traditional medicine easy to find is honey. Honey is known to help relieve cough symptoms. It is believed that in honey there are 181 natural substances that have antioxidant and antimicrobial abilities, in which the combination can make honey an effective natural medicine. One way to make cough medicine from honey is to mix it with warm water mixed with lemon. Lemon contains about 80 to 90 micrograms of vitamin C. The antioxidant content in lemons can neutralize free radicals that enter our body. One of the benefits is to relieve cough symptoms. Okay guys, now I will show you how to make honey and lemon drink. So let's watch the video first. So easy guys, isn't it? But we need to know that the use of honey is not recommended for children under 1 year of age, and also immediately see a doctor and avoid using honey if the patient has fever, worsening cough, asthma or persistent cold more than 2 weeks. Maybe that is all for me. I apologize if there is something wrong, and thank you for your attention. Bye bye.
is Reni Basmir. I will share a little information for all of you. Sometimes we get cough, right? Well, watch this video to find out how to cure cough with honey. If you have a cough before taking antibiotics, it's better to try honey first to relieve it. This is suggested by the British Health Service experts to reduce dependence on antibiotic drugs. As is known, the indiscriminate use of antibiotic drugs causes germs to get thicker. Honey is recommended for cough because it has natural antimicrobial properties and can coat the throat. This triggers the swallowing mechanism and reduces itching. A study was conducted on 105 children aged 2 to 18 years who were suffering from upper respiratory tract infections. They are given 2 teaspoons of honey before going to bed. It turns out that honey can reduce cough symptoms at night, thus improving the quality of their sleep. The study also compared the effects of honey and the substances in the cough medicine dextromethorphan and found that honey was just as effective as dextromethorphan. WHO also recommends using honey to treat cough in developing countries that have limited access to medicines. It should be noted that the use of honey is not recommended for children under 1 year of age because of the risk of serious food poisoning, namely infant botulism. Well, I will show you how to treat a cough with honey. If a natural cough medicine such as using honey has been used but the cough does not go away, don't forget to consult immediately doctor for proper handling. This is the information from me. Hopefully it can be useful and be used as an option to treat if you have a cough.